How to delete an email message in Mozilla Thunderbird. Open Mozilla Thunderbird. If you use POP, the email will be removed only from your Thunderbird email client and not from the mail server. But if you use IMAP settings, then the email will be removed from your Thunderbird email client as well as the main email server. Click on the email account to select it. Then click the inbox to see emails in the right pane. Then select the email you want to delete. You can delete the email by clicking this Delete button. You can also right-click on the message and click the Delete Message option. The selected message has been removed from the inbox. Thank you for watching.